I just received this Mister system for my review, and I just set it up really, really simply, and just to try it, just to see what it looked like. And this is what it is. So you've seen this around probably like terraces, like summertime, whenever it's really, really hot. These really fancy places, usually at restaurants, will have these misters that just cool off people around, and you're not getting extra wet, but you're just feeling that cool, refreshing kind of mist. And this is this system right here. So this water is going to come out right from here. I don't have any of this set up to do. All of this was already in the package. You just literally roll it out and it's just like that. And it's very, very long, as you can see, all the way to the end. And you've got a last mister here. And I even have an option to actually make it longer if I had another one. So that's a really cool thing. It does come with everything that you see right here, and I'm going to explain everything here. Obviously, it does come with the attachment to hook it up to any type of, obviously, to hose. So an outdoor hose, you hook it up. They even give you that Teflon tape to make sure that you've got no leakage. So that's a really nice thing. Great bonus here. You do have these little adapters. So on top of this, you've got extra adapters if you're going to add to it, if you're going to kind of like add another T, and then you'd be able to have kind of like, maybe you have a second part of your terrace or your outdoor space that you want to turn on or off, and you can do that with this switch, which is a nice thing, right? Then you've got all the little clips to attach it. So if I want to attach it, let's say right here, I could actually attach it and just nail it in, and you're good to go. So if I have the option to nail it in, they give me that option. But if I don't, they also give you tie or zip ties. If I wanted to attach it maybe to an umbrella, for example, that would be a really cool thing. Inside the umbrella, have that nice little mist, great thing. And then the last thing that they add, and I'm very surprised they did, and I think it's a great thing, they actually give you a filter. If you're not too sure about the quality of your water, your outdoor faucet, get that filter in. All you would do is literally put that filter in between the in right here and the out right there. So it's literally super easy. Instead of having what I just did and hooking it up like this, you'd have the filter right here, and the water would go through a sediment filter, and then you'd be sure that your guest or yourself would actually have a little bit better water, or filtered water. So let's turn it on and see what this whole thing will look like. Check this mist out. I'm not gonna direct it to the camera, of course, because it's going to wet, but if I'm close enough, yes, you're gonna get wet, as you can see my hand getting wet here, but if not, and I'm gonna go right on my face, it does feel absolutely wonderful. And you've got them right there, and it will mist all throughout. Look at this. I feel like I'm in a jungle getting refreshed at the same time. Super cool, and extremely quiet as well, which is a nice thing. And of course, you've got total control. I can turn it off from that faucet right here, and you are good to go. It doesn't take a lot of room. It's very easy to install, and when it's not working like this, it can be hidden through wherever you're installing it, because the hose is actually the hose is very, very small. But yeah, all in all, super easy to install. Took literally just a few minutes, and you're going to be enjoying the hot summer a little cooler this time.